So with Cheelee DeFi Wallet, you can do what you can do transactions between Binance and Cheelee Wallet. We're going to look at how you can use the app, the cons and pros, and also we're going to look at the main complaints people have with this app. Okay, I love the interface. It's kind of simple, not really that so complicated. Stake, receive, send, exchange, buy. Okay, we're going to see what this means. Okay, now for some of you who are seeing this for the first time, Cheelee DeFi Wallet is a crypto wallet connected to a decentralized financial services instead of a traditional bank. Now, this means that the wallet can let you store cryptocurrencies and tokens. Okay, you can send and receive. You see these options here. You can send and receive. You can connect to blockchain apps. You can swap and trade tokens, stake crypto to earn rewards, control funds directly using private keys or seed phrases. Okay. So unlike normal finance apps, DeFi wallets are typically non-custodial. That is, you can't control the wallet. They're blockchain based. They're connected to networks like Ethereum, BNB chain, Tron, etc. So these wallets are mainly used for managing in-app crypto earnings, okay, handling NFT assets, receiving token rewards, withdrawing or transferring cryptos. And it's important to know if you lose your recovery phrase or seed phrase, you can permanently lose access. And never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone. Okay? So that being said, let me look at a few of the complaints which you're going to really find within the app. And the first one is sometimes deposit may take time to reflect. That is something that I've seen in the comments. The app has actually enabled some comments, so you can really get time to look for them. I've read them for you, so I'm going to really summarize the common ones, okay? And then actually not in some African countries, but most African countries, you may find a challenge converting or exchanging coins from USDT to Lee. So that is actually not only in African countries, but you find a challenge in converting USDT to Lee. Okay, and now in most African countries, let me say Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, you can't make deposits because the currency is not included. Maybe if they do an update, but currently you can't make deposits because the currency is not included, and there are limited options to withdraw. So if you're thinking of withdrawing to MTN, MTN in Ghana, MTN maybe Nigeria, MTN Uganda, those options may not be there. Okay. Now, when you go through the reviews, someone says, I don't think the app is real. I paid for glasses for over like 7 days, haven't received it. I also want to say my Lee is always declined. Okay, let me cross this. All right. This one says I'm in a total loss. I invested like 10. I got profile only $1 earning showing 28. But they charge 30% exchange, means $9 they charge. So I saw, okay, this English is not really easy, but I think it's mainly like the charges are high. Okay. The charges, but that is around like 30%. So you have to really consider that if you're going to use this app. All right. Then there are suspensions. This one says, I'm here to use the Cheelee Wallet, and I hope it won't disappoint me like the Cheelee app. I was told that my account was suspended for blocking rule 4.1, which I still don't understand. Okay, and this is something which I've seen on Facebooks, in groups. Some accounts are being suspended. This one says my app was suspended. What should I do now? So it's something. This was your account is suspended for 60 days for breaking a rule 4.2. So this one was 4.1. Okay. Now these rules, I'm not really sure what are they, because when you go into the app, I kind of check them. I didn't find them anywhere. I don't think the public can explain what rule 4.1 or 4.2 means. However, based on Cheele's suspension and anti-fraud policies, rule 4.1 is likely related to fraud detection or multi-accounting or automation or suspicious activity. Okay, according to their help center, accounts can be suspended for things like using multiple accounts on one device, linking one wallet to several accounts, using boots or auto-scrolling tools, fake activity or file abuse. Okay, so suspicious location / device changes. This may be to your VPN, unnatural behavior detected by their anti-fraud system. So when the support says you violated rule 4.1 or 4.2, it may usually mean that their system flagged your account for behavior they considered suspicious or against their platform rules, even if you personally didn't intend to cheat. So many users report getting flagged because of VPN usage, emulator. Actually, I'm using an emulator right now. So this account can be at risk. Okay. So also multiple family members on one phone. If you're using auto clickers, logging in several accounts, okay, buying and selling accounts, okay, fast device switching. So yep. So those are one of the things that I can know that can get you suspended. And okay, another bad comment which I realized is someone says my man has been locked in Cherry Wallet for weeks now. Support tells me the wallet is undergoing major maintenance and they have no clue when it will be done. Let me cross this. Okay, so all right. So generally, those are the bad comments which I think I spotted out from their Google Play Store, but also they have very good reviews. This is awesome crypto wallet, very easy, very simple. Though they have bad comments, also never make a mistake with the app. The wallet is a twin brother of Cheelee viewing app, designed to trap all that stuff. Okay, so this one is complaining I can't resort to Ghana. So yeah, so that's what I can say about Cheelee. Let me know what you think about this app, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.